Hello, my name is Charlie. Welcome to my channel. Would you please do me a big favor? Subscribe to my channel. Would you please like and share the video? This will help me to grow as a starting new YouTuber. I will really appreciate that favor. And you will be part of the people that help me grow this channel. I'm an investor investing in the stock market. I invest in 2 countries. I have a portfolio in the UK using Trading 212. I also have a portfolio in South Africa using Brockstock. In this video, I would like us to talk about wealth creation. And I would like to tackle this video, how to create wealth and be healthy. You see, wealth creation is very important as someone who is working or in life in general, because without wealth, your life is like stagnant. Without wealth creation, your life is like stagnant. You are like someone who is living for now and not thinking about tomorrow. But if you create wealth, you are like a wise man who built his house on the rock, not on the sand, on the rock, and it will be stable when the storms comes. So when the storm comes in the later stages of life, if you have wealth creation, you will have the stability of finances in life. Your life will be rigid, your life will be solid. So what is wealth creation? It's simple. You're creating wealth for yourself for the future. So there are 4 things that I want us to look at about wealth creation. So we're going to look at money making. We're going to look at taking advantage of debt. We're going to look at accumulating assets and a healthy lifestyle. How do we create this wealth? How do we make it happen? Of course, we need money. We have to make money. We have to save money. We have to invest money. So in order to create wealth, one has to get money. And you have to make sure you get money. You can get a job. You can get something to sell. You can offer some services. There are a lot of things that you can do to get money. Somebody can say, I'm not working, but you have to do it. Work on yourself. You have to make it happen. Nobody will create wealth for you. Find something to do. There are many things out there that one can do in order to get money. Offer some services. Do something here and there. Just get up and make money. If you don't try, you won't know that you can make it. But if you push hard enough, you can make it. In one of my previous videos, I have mentioned that at some point life was too tough for me, but I refused to back down. I refused to be stagnant. I refused to go down. I just made a way that I will go out there and I will make things happen. And I did. I did 2 side jobs that helped me to get even more money or to help me sustain at that particular time. So apparently, I can say nobody has an excuse not to start creating wealth for themselves, not to start saving, not to start investing. So just make money. Just find a way to make money and create that small empire of yours. And over time, you can grow it bit by bit, it will become bigger, bigger and better, and it will become a huge empire of wealth creation. Number two, need to take advantage of debt. If you want to create wealth, you need to take advantage of debt. I know sometimes people, we are afraid of debt. I used to say, I want to pay off all my debt. I want to be financially free, chasing financial freedom, saying that I don't want any debt. I don't want nothing to do with debt. But I've heard many times big business people saying that a debt is your friend. Use debt to maximize or to leverage your business, to grow your business. Use debt. And then they say with debt, you can take advantage of tax credits. So apparently when you on debt, the tax will be reduced, but if you use cash, you will be taxed more. So with debt, you're able to acquire more and more properties. You're able to acquire more and more businesses. You're able to expand your investment and your savings. Then you're taking advantage of tax in that regard. So don't be afraid to take debt. For example, let me make an example. One man said it this before. He said, if you've got, for example, a million rand or $1 million or £1 million, depending on the currency that you are using. If two guys, they've got $1 million, and then one decides to buy a property cash, and then one buys 5 or 10, putting down deposit and leasing them out, making more money out of them. He's got more property on his name, but that one has only got one property on his name. So that one have used debt in order to acquire more property. He's got a muscle now of financial power. And then more income. So don't be afraid to take advantage of debt. Of course, you have to use it wisely. Don't just take debt because you have seen a nice shoe. You take debt because you have seen a nice car. No. It doesn't work like that. You have to be wiser. Financial education. Teach yourself about finances. So number three, accumulate assets. In order for you to create wealth, you need to accumulate assets. If you can get it, go for it. Be like someone who says, it's not enough to have one property. I need another one. It's not enough to have one business. I need something else on top of that. For example, say you owning a filling station. Don't just limit yourself to that one filling station. If there's an opportunity somewhere that arises, go for it. Just diversify your businesses. It's your portfolio. Just diversify it. Imagine as a business person, you are exposed to energy. Maybe you've got a fuel station, and then on the other hand, you're exposed to property. You've got a couple of flats or a couple of houses that you are leasing out. So you are accumulating assets. There are many kinds of assets that one can think of. As I've mentioned, business acquiring. You acquire some business, you acquire some property. There are things like an antique products are very expensive. You can use that as a asset accumulation. Jewelry, they are expensive. jewelry out there. I'm saying this because people are different. Some people, they love certain things, some they don't. But those who are into jewelry or whatsoever, into cars, they are classic cars, collector's items that don't go down in value. That's an asset. But some, they can differ, but it's an asset because you get an old car from 1970 something, 1980 something, it's still expensive. Sometimes it's way expensive than it was before. So you can use such things as your assets. You accumulate. Maybe in case you needed some cash and you run out of cash, maybe in your investment or something, or you no longer need this thing, it's of value, you can sell it for profit or for more gains. So just accumulate some assets. And number 4, live a healthy lifestyle. If your lifestyle is not healthy, you won't be able even maybe to accumulate those assets that or those wealth creation that you want to create. You may not even reach the goal because you're not taking good care of your health. So you need to take good care of your health. Your lifestyle habits. Somebody who has given themselves to too much alcohol, they may not reach their goal. Somebody who end up giving themselves to drugs, they may not achieve their goal. Somebody who's consuming stuff that is killing their body, they may not reach their goal. Somebody who exposes themselves to lifestyle, socially meeting people that are not of value, that are not adding value, life-threatening, you might die before your time. So you need to take care of yourself, take a good care of yourself. So those are my 4, I should call them pillars or keys, whatever you may want to call them, to create wealth and be healthy. Hope this has given some sort of value or some sort of inspiration to someone to start thinking about creating yourself a little empire that will grow with time, and one day, hopefully, even when you decide to retire, whenever you want to retire, you will do so comfortably because you have created some wealth for yourself. When your kids grew up or they are kids, they want to go to university, you have something that you can offer. Or God forbid, God calls you home, you leave something behind for your children. I hope you will subscribe to this channel. I hope you will like, and I hope you will share. I will really, really appreciate that. Peace out.